So Xreal just released his newest AR/XR glasses called the One. Now this glasses is unique. It's unlike anything else on the market. It's actually unlike anything else that Xreal has ever released because it has a chip now. It's not dependent on the phone. Now you will understand what I mean later on. But what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna get behind the camera, do an unboxing, and give you guys a first impression. I'm also gonna put my camera behind it. That way I can give you guys a snippet of the first person view, exactly what I see. But shout out to Xreal for always supporting my channel, for supporting me. They did send these glasses to me for free under the beta testing program. However, everything I say in this video is 100% my opinion. And also shout out to Xreal for giving me the ability of giving me the freedom to say whatever I want and how I feel about all their product and sending me cool merchandise like the hats, bags, and all kinds of stuff. But now let's get behind the camera and get to business. So here's my first unboxing of the Xreal One. I am so excited, super excited. I've already, ripped the bottom part up, but for the most part, I haven't even tried it on yet. I was about to, but then I was like, nope, let me wait and show you guys the experience. So this is the box. This is the case for the Xreal One, unlike the previous ones, which are full circle. Well, not full circle, but it's just a little different. This is the Xreal Air 2, and this is the Xreal Air 1. So you have the glasses, you have the cable, which I like that Xreal always makes their cable this material. It's kind of like the previous one, but this one just seems more premium. So that's the case. Well, it also feels just a bit more inside. Man, I'm already having, oh, this is what I meant by the cable. See, this is the previous versions of the cables, and this is the new one. It has this quality material, unlike the Rocade or the other radio, But anyways, let's get to the glasses itself, because that's really what I want to show. Okay, so this is the glasses. Man, they feel very, very premium. Let me just put it to the side. These glasses feel very, very, wow. And they snap. So here's the Xreal Air 2. As you can see, they just pretty much just open. They don't snap. They open. They feel very good, very smooth and good. But this one's just snap when you open them up. Wow. So it gives more, it feels like it's going to be more stable. And this part right here feels smooth. It feels just more premium. It's really hard to explain. Just look at it. Look at this right here. It's, it's got sharp edges, sharp corners. This feels smooth. And man, I'm telling you, this thing feels very, very good. Now, the glasses themselves, so you have, first time removing this. So they look about the same size. No, it's slightly bigger on this one. So this might be the same size as the previous one based on the specs that I read. So if you guys remember, the Xreal One original had a wider, I don't know what this thing is called, but this has this, the Xreal Air 1 original had a wider one, wider display part right here. What that means is that you get less blurry edges because it was wider. And I think they listened to people's complaint and went back to the wider diameter compared to what this one is. I'm gonna measure, but this is just like a first impressions video. This part right here, it still has the same softness, but now this is just a bit thicker. Man, I'm telling you right now, everything about these glasses just feels premium. Also, you have sound by Bose now. So you should get a better audio quality because it's by Bose. This one wasn't by Bose. This is just by Xreal sound quality. I'll be honest, the sound quality on the Xreal Air 2 sounded pretty good to me. It was perfectly fine. So this is an upgrade that wasn't really needed, but guess what? They did it anyways. You have two microphones. I don't know what this is, but based on Xreal's previous devices, orange button typically means mode. Oh, the thing that makes this different is, well, okay, let me remove this right here. I'm sorry guys. I am too excited. Okay, wow. So as you guys can see, this is much thinner than the Xreal Air 2, this part right here. I think I read that it was removable. No? Is it? I thought it was magnet. I don't know. I thought I read it was magnetic or something. I don't know. I haven't really looked at the instructions, but I will. Okay. I don't think it's removable. But you guys can see it's much thinner. It actually feels more like the Ranio as far as the thinness, except this one has, I think it is magnetic. Okay, I'm not really sure, but either way, this is still a first impression. All I can tell you, it's thinner than this one right here. And man, I'm telling you right now, this just feels a lot more premium. Weight-wise, it's supposed to be a bit heavier than the Xreal Air 2, but honestly, they feel about the same weight. The difference though is that this one has built-in software in the glasses. So for my Apple users, for my Google phone users, for the users that have USB-C, but they don't have the app on their phone, these glasses now solves the issue of 3DoF, because now you can use 3DoF because it's built into the glasses instead of using the software on your phone. Instead of using an app for 3DoF, now it's built into the glasses. Now, how does the 3DoF work? I literally haven't tried it yet. I just unboxed this. I mean, I am so excited. Now, this port right here, I saw something in one of the instructions. I think you are able to put a camera, insert a camera as an accessory. Actually, this right here is for your prescription. I haven't opened it. Oh, I did open it, but I haven't used it yet. So my people that wear prescriptions, you have this, which I'm trying to remove it. So this right here goes, how does it even? Okay, so it goes here, and you just, let me see. I'm not really sure how it's supposed to work. Oh, you remove these things right here. There are some things, there's rubber pieces here. You remove them, and the prescription glasses would just go in there like that. So I don't wear prescription, so, but if you wear prescription, you can take this to your, I don't know what they call them, the vision people. They can do it. They can match your vision, you know, which is great. It is great that this is included. I always prefer this to be included rather than having the IPD above, because on the Rokid version, I find that even though, because I don't wear glasses, even though you can adjust them, they always seem to move around, and it always bothers me. And they never move around to the same degrees. One might be like -3, or the other one might be -1. It's just, it was so annoying. And even the people that wear glasses, from what I've heard, they prefer having the external one because then they can have it exactly the way they want it. But anyway, guys, this is a first impression. Like I said, I'm really excited. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put my glasses on right now, do a first impression of how it looks, and then I'm gonna do a YouTube review later on. Oh, it's got electrochromic dimming. Oh, this is so great. And you can reduce brightness, increase brightness. You have a shortcut button. Transparency mode, perfect. You can customize button functions on the menu. Holy shit. Wow. Okay. Xreal, you have won. Xreal is officially the best AR glasses that I've ever tried. Xreal One is the best AR glasses I've ever tried because this is mind blowing. Anyway, guys, this has been my first look of the Xreal Ones, and I promise you, this thing will blow your mind. This is the best AR glasses I have ever used, hands down. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for my full review of these glasses. I'm gonna put a camera behind this, that way you guys can see what I see. But man, if you've been looking to pick up an AR glasses, this is the time, and this glasses is it. I promise you, you will be blown away. Like, unless you're like have a extremely unrealistic expectation, you will be blown away by these glasses. But stay tuned, guys, for more content. Peace.